Jamaican woman, you are the most feminine of perfection. You grow our family, you turn our space into a home. You wipe our tears with a smile, you are our support system. And lifeline of our Jamaican nation, you can be wild yet gentle, you are so special and more beautiful than a flower. Your hair come in many textures, from kinky to curls, your tones come in many shades, of brown, dark, dusky, sandy, mocha, chocolate, ivory, ebony, caramel, but I know who you are, from the way you smile, the way you talk, the things you become passionate about, the way you raise your children, and the way you love your men. You are a Jamaican woman, more needed than you will ever know.